Hey, Matthew Rufh from the Rufh Real Estate Group here for your June market update report. And well, what do we have to talk about? We have May sales to talk about. They were a little bit higher than we've seen in the previous months of March and April, which is generally our spring market. But we are still quite down from traditional May sales. So where are we at right now in the Fraser Valley? Well, last year compared to this year, if you look at May as a whole, sales are down 22% from May of last year. And if you look at a 10-year average of May sales, we're down 36%. So it just kind of gives you an idea where things are at right now. We've had a lot of talk from the new year all the way to this day about tariffs, about the economy, about our election here at home. A lot of people were kind of waiting on the sidelines, and I think May we saw those buyers get off the fence and make that purchase and look at making moves. So what do we anticipate moving forward? Well, the Bank of Canada met last week. They did not lower the overnight lending rate, so they still kept it at 2.75%, which then only has any effect to anyone who has a variable rate mortgage or a line of credit. So there was no change in overnight interest rate there. So your interest on your line of credits or your variable rate mortgages will stay the same. We are seeing a lot of listings right now, a lot of listings. We are well over the 10,000 listing mark here in the Fraser Valley. A lot of this has to do with mortgage renewals. We have 2025 and 2026 are the biggest years for mortgage renewals here in Canada, and I think we're starting to see what that has to do with the marketplace, because a lot of people are coming on the market. They're losing that 1.75 or 1.8% interest rate. My God, that seems like an eternity ago, but those people are coming up for renewal, and they're seeing stuff in the mid fours to the high fours. So it is a big jump if you're going from 1.8% up to now 4.6%. So I think the people are having that discussion at home. Maybe we just want to make a move and get out now while we can. So I think right now more than ever, if you are looking at pricing your home and there are, say, 6 to 10 other listings in maybe your complex, your neighborhood, it's one of those cases right now where buyers are looking for a bargain. So you have to be the best price out of everyone else on the market, and you have to still show 10 out of 10. I say this constantly every month. Look the best, be priced the best, and you will sell. And that is the tips that we are still telling clients right now, and we are seeing those results. So if you have any questions yourself, please feel free to shoot us a DM and connect with us. We'd love to talk about what your future holds with real estate, whether you're buying or selling, refinancing, buying an investment property. Maybe you want to buy a property up country to go in vacation at. There's all the possibilities out there. You just need to have a game plan in place, and we can help you with that. This has been Matthew Rufh with the Rufh Real Estate Group. We'll talk to you next month. Enjoy this beautiful weather. Bye for now.